guys, welcome to Tintin Vlogs!
Hi guys, so this is our last night in the Philippines kasi April 22, 1
so
a.m. is our
sad.
flight. Don't be sad. Dapat tomorrow ng April 21, 8 p.m. is nasa airport na kami para maiwasan namin yung hassle. So, mas maaga pumunta sa airport.
But that's okay because I'm going to Canada next.
Of course.
Because after grade 2, I'm going to Canada now. Ah! I'm so excited. And my mommy said when she's going to Canada na, and then when she's going to Canada or Target or Amazon, she's gonna buy me toys and then she'll show it to me.
Ayun nga, so samahan nyo kami ipakita ko ano yung mga dadalhin namin, ang mga ilalagay namin sa box, and kung ilang luggage yung madadala namin. So, kasi we are allowed only to have 23 kilos per person. So, ayun nga. Watch out!
Watch out!
The things that we need to bring in Canada are school supplies, since I am international student, milk and biscuits for our baby since kasama namin si Luana, bath essentials, seasonings, noodles and delata, tabo, pangkulay ng buhok, dried fish, and medicine. So ayun na nga guys, this is the hardest part of being away in the family. Medyo senti na nga si Duchess, malungkot sila ng kuya niya, pero we're always explaining them, telling them that all our sacrifices is for them, sa kanilang magkakapatid. We've been an OFW for 5 years in Dubai, pero hindi ako ganito ka-emotional noon. Alam ko kasi na mas malayo ang Canada ngayon. In the long run, we all know that all our sacrifices will be worth it.
Good morning guys! So, ayun nga, napuyat kami kagabi. Dahil nga inabot kami ng alas 2 ng madaling araw sa pag-prepare ng mga dadali namin sa Canada. So, ang dadali namin is tatlong 23 kilos na luggage. And then yung hand carry namin is 3 piraso din. Tapos isang box, isang travel box. And yung iba is ano na lang, backpack na lang siguro. So, ayun. This is our last day. Last day, doctor. And mamayang 8 p.m. hatid na kami sa airport. Fix your behavior. That's okay. You're going there also. Ayun. Kiss mommy, my love. This is the hardest part. Anyway guys, please continue to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates in our videos. Samahan nyo kami sa journey namin going to Canada in Tintin Vlogs! Bye!